Wow, thanks for getting all your reading done today. We're going to start on math, lesson 11.6 today. We're going to be talking about strategies. And remember, right up at the top of our paper, in the green box, it says, use strategies to practice subtraction. Now, that's what we've been doing all week long. And look at the I can statement. I can use different strategies to subtract. Well, of course you can. You have been doing a fantastic job this week, and we're going to be reviewing all of the strategies. Let's just talk about those right now. And you know what? I brought home, yeah, you know what this is. Not the bad sticks, these are the good sticks. And I'm gonna call on Allison. Oh, good, Alley Cat. Name one strategy that we have talked about this week. Good girl. Okay, she said number line. Okay, oh, you probably can't even see that. All right, I'm just gonna put number line. Okay. Let's pick another. And Kaysen. Ooh. Kaysen, what strategy do you know about? Oh, just using your brain. I love that. Just using my big old brain. Ooh, I love my brain. Okay. Let's pick another one. Good job. Remember, that's what everybody's working toward. We want to be able to do it in our heads. Oh, who is this one? Kaden! Kaden, what are you thinking? Good job. You like longs and ones. Okay, I'm going to write talls and smalls. That is another way to do it. Okay. What am I going to pick? And who is this? Daphne! Daphne, what is your thought? What's another strategy that you know about? Great. I love that one. Did everybody hear Daphne? She said using our grid. Okay. And I think there might be one more that we learned about yesterday. Oh, and who is this? Elijah. Elijah, what was your thought? Yep, you're right. We only did it yesterday. It was our 10 frame. Remember the 10 frame. And we didn't do it very long. Oh, I see some hands out there. All right, there is one more. And I'm going to pick, this one. Eleanor. Eleanor, what is the other one? Oh, is this one your favorite? I'm going to put that one at the top then. Remember, it's the second grade way. I'm going to write second grade up there. And please don't write sloppy like I'm writing today. Not good. All right. Look at all those strategies that we've learned. We learned how to do it the second grade way. We learned how to do it on a number line. Just using our brain and doing it in our head, mental math. We learned how to do it using our tens and ones. We learned how to use it to do it using our grids. And we also yesterday saw how we could use it, do it using our 10 frames. Good job. All right, let's go back to the beginning of our paper now. And you have a dialogue box. Let's read it together. Make up a story about 60 minus 40. Then solve the subtraction problem. Use the strategy that you think is best. All right, I think I'm going to call on somebody. You know what? I just thought of another strategy, but I'll see if somebody else can tell me that one. Ooh, Faith. Faith, can you make up a story for me? Okay, thank you. All right, did everybody hear that? She said 60 jelly beans, and she ate 40 jelly beans. How many jelly beans are left? That's a great story, Faith. I'm glad that you came to school today. I like that story. All right. Faith just told me she's going to use a different strategy. She's going to subtract 4 from 6. 6 take away 4. Everybody can do that in their head, can't they? And the answer is 2. But what are we going to do with, remember? I'm going to put the 0 for the ones column. 60 take away 40 is 20. Now, could you use any of these? Sure you could. Second grade way, we'll just do that one for fun because that's the one that we're trying to learn how to do, right? Remember? Ones column first, and then the tens column. 6 take away 4 is exactly what Faith just said. So Faithy, guess what? You just did it the second grade way in a different way, but your concept was really doing it by second grade way. All right, let's erase. Do you like my new board? It's nice and big, and I can sit in a chair. I don't have to lay on the floor over there. Okay, here we go. This at the top of your paper just tells you and reminds you about some of the strategies. I'm going to skip that part today, but you can use it as reference, okay? I'm going to go down here. I'm going to do 70 minus 10. Now, we can all see that they wrote in the answer. 70 minus 10 is 60. Now, they gave me a grid. Does everybody remember how to use the grid? You're going to put your finger on 70. 70 is kind of hard to see on this grid, isn't it? 70 minus 10, so we're going to use the elevator and go up 1 square, and we come to 60. Good job. Let's go to number 2. Number 1 really wasn't hard because they gave us the answer. Let's do number 2 because they did not give us the answer, okay? All right, are we ready? Okay, I'm going to pull another stick. Oh, that boy isn't in our class anymore. Ooh, Javi. Javi, do you want to answer number 2? 60 take away 20. Now, remember, you can use your grid. You could use a number line. Remember how to do this, everybody? We're going to put a 60, and we're going to make hops back until we get to the 20. Oh, great. Javi wants to do it this way. All right. Can everybody listen? He's going. 50, 40, 30, 20, and stop. Thank you. I heard everybody. Now we're going to go back and count the hops. But remember, each hop is worth how many? Each hop is worth 10. All right, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. So how many hops are between 60 and 20? Good job, Javi, and the answer is 40. Good job. All right, I'm going to pick somebody else because I'd like to ask another question on this one. And, oh, Daphne, you already got a turn today. Did you see her eyes? She went, what? Riley. Aw, don't you miss Riley? I wonder how he's doing in Georgia. We love you, Riley, if you're watching. Julian. Julian, what way would you do this? Okay, I love that. Julian just said he would use it in his head. He would do 6 minus 2 in his head, and he knows that 6 minus 2 is 4, and then he just has to add that 0 to put us over into the tens. Good job, Julian. I like how you are really getting ready for second grade. All right, let's go to number 3. 43 minus 10. Okay. All right, can I use my number line? I sure could. Now remember, 43. So all my numbers on the number line have to end with the 3. Remember that? So we would start with 43. And what would be 10 less? 33. What if it was 20 less? 23. Do you see that I'm not going to change that ones column? Good job. All right. I'm going to choose another person. And Soraya. Soraya, what strategy would you like to use for this one? Okay, I'm with you. I think using the second grade method is the best. 43. Remember, now we're going to turn it so that we can go down. We want to keep our columns together. Remember our ones column? Remember I showed you that imaginary line? We want to keep the ones over here and the tens separate. All right, I'm going to ask somebody else a question. Lukey. Hey, Luke. Where do we start? Do we do the tens or the ones first when we're doing second grade math? Absolutely. We always do the ones first. 3 take away 0. Everybody shout it out. Good job, 3. And Soraya, do you want to help me out with the last one? 4 minus 1, 3. Good job. So my answer is 33. Now, if we were doing this on a test, even though we wrote the answer over here, remember, third grade challenge. Make sure you put your 33 back up in the square where you need to show your answer, okay? All right, I'm going to skip number 4 because I know that you guys can already do that in your head. All right, let's go on to page 475. We're going to go on to this page. I know you can do that. I know you can do that. You can do it. You can do it. Number 9, 74 minus 10. Now, I would like it if you all did that the second grade way. Remember, you're going to do it this way. And I'll write it up here just so you can see. 74 take away 10. Okay? I think it's much better if you can do it that way. Could I do that in my head? Sure I could, because I already know about using my grid. And if I was on the number 74, do I know all the numbers that are 10 less? Sure. But remember, if you're going to do it the second grade way, keep your ones together and then do your tens, okay? All right. Why don't we, I'm going to skip to the back page, and you may do any that you would like to do on the back because I know the inside is too easy. All right. Why don't we do number 11 together, okay? How about that? Number 11. Students at a school are planting flowers in a garden. Boy, that sounds familiar, doesn't it? They plant 50 flowers in a part that gets a lot of sunshine. So I'm going to just write the numbers 50. And they plant 30 flowers in a part that is shaded from the sun. How many fewer flowers did they plant in the shade? Remember, those key words, fewer, actually mean I need to subtract. And I know you can do that, okay? And don't forget, there is a third grade challenge here. You're going to write that equation, and there is third grade challenge. Okay, thank you for participating today. I love you. You did an awesome job today, and I will see you in the morning. Love you.